Okay, here is the Afripnet vendors user dashboard. So once you log into your account, the first thing you will say, welcome to your dashboard. So this is my name here, Mazube Emmanuel. Here is everything at a glance. So you have 0 order, you have 0 customers, you have 0 items sold, average order 0, completed order 0, pending order 0, cancelled order 0. You can see this message icon here. When you click on this message icon, here is for announcements and some important information from the Afripnet team or from your customers or any inquiries regarding to your product. So when you click on it, it will display the button for you. It will display the content for you. You can see the first one here. So on this notification, you can see I have one notification here. Afripnet Mega Store Grand Opening, released on July 9th. Come and showcase your made in Africa products. So that is, you can mark this as read. So after marking this, you just move back so that the notification can clear. So after viewing all this, then one of the most important thing you need to do is to go to your store settings. So you can design your store, put on more information for people to actually know more about your business. So I made a mistake here in my store name. Stefemi Digital is the name. Show phone number, update profile. So just make sure you put in all the necessary details. So you can see here it's showing my name, TW, that's Stefemi Digitals. That's what is showing here. So for me to change this picture TW here, I have to put up my profile picture. So I can select from my library if I have any image on my library. I have one already. I can select this or I add new media. So that's my profile picture, but I'll have to make that my banner instead of my profile picture. This will be my banner. Then the profile picture, I will upload a new picture from my phone gallery. So let me use this as my profile picture. So make sure your images are not too large. When you are uploading images that are large, it takes time to upload and it makes your store very slow. So you need to make sure your images are of not really low quality, but the size is not something too large. So after doing this, you can see the profile picture has changed from what I used, but you have to use your brand logo. You have to use your brand logo. So after doing that, what you need to do next is to go to your store. You click here. Let me use this brush to show you. You move straight to this place, this 3 horizontal line here. Once you click here, you will see products. You see products. For you to upload your product, you need to come to this section. So you hit the product button and it displays the next interface you are going to see here. You can see I already have one product uploaded already, which is the WhatsApp Facebook ads, sold for 15k, selling for 15k. So the next thing you need to do is to hit this add button. You are going to see this on your dashboard. You hit the add button so that it will show you the section where you need to add your product. So here now, the first thing you need to take note of is the product name. So sometimes you may omit this part. So it looks like it's different from this entire box. So it's not different, it's part of it. That's the first option, your product name. So let's say I want to add a coconut milk here. A coconut milk, it's going to be a simple product. Here we have options for simple and variable products. So the variable products are products that have different values, maybe different prices, let's say different sizes, different colors, different or just different variation. So there are of different variants that you have to set up different prices for them and different images or different description for each of them. So you have to use the variable product instead of the simple. So when you hit the simple product, you select the price, the regular price. Like I said earlier, the regular price has to be higher than the sales price if you want to do sales. Let's say you are selling it for 15,000 initially, you have to put it 15k here. Then the sales price will now have to come to 13,500 or 13,000, just something lesser than the regular price. Let's put it as 13,500. So you are giving them 1.5 discount. Then after this, you have to set up the SKU. So the SKU, since this is coconut milk, I will just have to put a name, coconut milk, just a name that we can use to actually refer to the product you are selling when customer places an order. So this section now, I would prefer you just leave it at available in stock. If you put up this stock management, it shows that you have the product, you have limited quantity available for that particular product you are selling. So when you set up this stock management, then they are asking you how many quantity do you have available. If it's 50, you put in 50. If it's 10 pieces that is just available, you put in 10 pieces. So for those that have products that are limited, so you have to put in the quantity here. But if you produce in mass or your products are something that is always available in the market, you don't need to select this option. So it doesn't show your customers that a particular product is out of stock. So you just leave it at that, at this in stock. So after this, you put in the shipping weight. So if you have a measuring scale, you set up the shipping, the weight, the dimensions of the product, the shipping class. If it's a heavy big item, you select the B. If it's something that is not that heavy, you put medium. If it's a small item, you put small item. So I'll select the small item and proceed to this link. You don't need to set up anything here, except if you have a product you have uploaded on your site that is closely related to this particular, you have uploaded on this platform that is closely related to what you are promoting right now. So let's say you are selling this coconut milk now, and you have initially uploaded something that is related to coconut or skincare product. So you have to upsell that thing here. So this section now, let's read what it shows. They said upsells are products which you recommend instead of the current viewed product. For example, product that are more profitable or better quality or more expensive. So if you have another product that is closely related, or even they are the same thing but it's of higher quality, or it may not really be of higher quality, just something else you are recommending to the particular, but it has to be something that is related to that product, please. So you don't have to bring in a hair cream. You are selling clothing and you are bringing hair cream as recommendation. No, it doesn't work that way. It has to be something in line, the same business category, in the same category of products with what you are currently promoting. So this, after this, you go to the attribute section. So you can add attribute based on the color of the product, based on the size of the product. So you can use size or color as an example here. So, but if it doesn't have any special attribute, you can leave this space empty. But if it's a blue item that you are actually promoting, let's say we use color as one of the attributes, then you select color. If it's a black item, you put black. If you have it in different colors, green, you put green, red, you put red. But if you don't have anything of this variant, you just have to remove it from the attributes and proceed. The settings, purchase notes, you don't need to do anything here except you just want to give a vote of thanks here, but do not do not write anything, your details or anything here. All you just need to put here is you thanking the customers for purchasing this particular product, or giving them instruction on how to use that particular product. Nothing more than that here. So after that, the settings section, you don't have anything to do here as well. So after this, you proceed to where you add the image of the product you want to upload. So the coconut oil or coconut milk, let me select an image of coconut from my dashboard. So I'll select this, and proceed. Oh, I've selected one particular image more than 3 times, so I'll be deleting them later on. I'll also show you how to delete images from here. So let's say this particular one now that I uploaded twice. So if you want to delete this, though, you have to turn your device to a desktop version before you'll be able to see the option to delete. So let's select this coconut and click on select. You'll see the product here. Then if you have multiple pictures, maybe different views of that particular product, you can select gallery. You can add multiple images to your gallery here. You select another one, you add. You select another one, you add. So these are the pictures that will be displayed as part of the product that you are promoting. So here now, with cosmetics, the category is under skincare. So skincare, coconut is not here. Cream, milk and creams. So tags, coconut chips, coconut oil, skincare, cosmetics. So I need to add cosmetic as part of the categories available here. So after that, you don't have anything to do here for now. Do not click anything. Product visibility, just leave it, let it follow the default category rules. So then you add your product description. Let's say I want to add a description here. I click on this. So I add this as my product description 1. Then the short description, I'll add this as the short description 2. So after adding this is the end part, the description. You just head straight back to the top, click on save product, save new product. That's what you need to click on. Once you hit this, your product will don't click on it more than once. You will notice that your browser will change and you will have your products uploaded. You can see your product has been created successfully. You can now start editing. So after saving, you can start adding more details here in case you've not added much details as you wanted. Maybe you just wanted to save it so that in case you get engaged with something, so you don't have to lose all you have input on these boxes here. So after this, when we go to the website now, we are going to see this particular product on the website. This is afripnet.com. Let's check the website. So here is the product that we have created. So you can see coconut milk 13,500 instead of 15,000, excluding VAT. So once you click on the product to view it now, you will see what we have added to this particular product. The product is on sale. That's why you are seeing this here. If you did not add that discount something, you won't see this sale attached to this place. So coconut milk product highlights, that is a product short description. So you need to know where you are adding the short description and where you are adding the long description to. So the tags, coconut oil, skincare, review, there are no review. Only logged in users who have purchased this product can leave a review. Vendor information to Ifemi Digital's address here. Product inquiry. Okay, more products from this vendor. So this is another product that this vendor has uploaded. So here is another product here, coconut milk. So that is that on on product upload to the website. Kindly follow this simple instruction so you can have your own product uploaded to Afripnet website. Thank you.